Hi everybody, it's Honest John. As you can see, the birds are back. Say hi, guy. And check out these guys. Let's see if I can zero in on them. See those guys with the red? They're pretty cool. Where'd that other one go? He's trying to walk into my apartment. I have to keep backing up. There they are right there. Just down below me too. Right over to the side here. Let's get back to them birds on the tree there. There they are. They're colorful. We got birds flying all over the place. Let's see if I can catch some of that. Missed him. Went right by me. He was like 2 feet away. Missed him again. See, they're right over there on the next thing now. This is just a real active little time for the birds. There they are, hanging out in the tree there. Okay.